Tammin. Tammin is a small country town in the wheat belt of Western Australia. It's on the Great Eastern Highway and offers two areas that you can pull over and have a break. One is right on the highway and one is around the back where it's a little bit quieter and you can camp overnight with a drop point. So if you're interested, please stick around and I'll give you some more details. Well, welcome to another one of my videos. So, Tammin, if you're coming along the Great Eastern Highway and you're heading east, you'll have the silos on your right hand side. Over behind the silos is the road, the Goldfields road, that takes you back to York. So if you're coming that way, there's quite a few little interesting spots. There's the old Hunt's Well and some buildings. I'll leave a couple of photos here for you to have a look at. The first spot is the Puma Petrol station. Watch out for the potholes. It's a very large petrol station, easy access with big vans, but out the back there's a great big area that you can pull over. There will be some trucks coming in and out of there, but if you tuck right in out the back, there's tons of room. The petrol station's really good, got lots of facilities in there, coffee and everything. Quite a few groceries. They seem to be the grocery store for the local area, and there is also toilets in there. There's no dump point here, but as you can see, getting right in over the back is going to keep you off the highway, which is just in front of you here. Tammin is 184 kilometres from Perth, heading east. Nice quiet little town, and was settled in 1893. It's got a pub, a couple of small shops and service areas, but don't expect too much. But pretty little town and worth having a look around at. So heading back towards Perth, on your right hand side is Station Street. You're heading down there. As you can see on the left hand side, that's where you would come out if you'd come from York. So we're in Station Street and we're heading up past the tennis courts, and this will take you to the second spot, which is just at the sports ground. Easy access for your large vans, and you can drive in there and there's a loop around. Dump point just there on your left hand side, right hand side. And it's far enough off the main highway to be fairly quiet. There's a hard stand here, and around the other side is a softer dirt. A few trees there, not much firewood. I never saw any fireplaces or any other facilities. But still, if I can find out any more details, I'll add that in the description as well. So those are the two spots in Tammin. Nice area. If you get a chance, drop in, stop over, and spend a couple of dollars to support the locals. Thanks for watching. Keep the shiny side up. We'll catch you next time.